Welcome back to Joy by Janell. Take a deep breath in and let it out. You are here because you are ready for the world to see what you already know, that you are the only choice. This isn't just about a secret love. This is about being publicly claimed, chosen, and proposed to. By the end of this meditation, your energy will be so magnetic that your person will find it impossible to keep their commitment to you a secret any longer. To lock in this manifestation right now, type "I am the chosen one" in the comments to claim this energy. And for the most powerful transformation, listen to this meditation every single day for 21 days. Your official life begins now. I am the only person my specific person wants to be with. My person is ready to publicly claim our love to the world. Every day, they are more certain that I am their forever partner. I am the priority, the first choice, and the only choice. My person is planning a public proposal that honors our bond. Our relationship is now official, stable, and deeply committed. They are deleting every other option because only I matter. I am magnetic and I pull commitment toward me effortlessly. My person feels a deep, unstoppable urge to claim me publicly. I am worthy of a lifetime bond and a public declaration of love. They are proud to call me theirs in front of everyone. Our love is no longer a secret. It is a celebrated reality. They are choosing me over and over again every single day. My person is confessing their deepest desire for marriage and commitment. I am the chosen spouse and our future is secure. They want to spend the rest of their life honoring and protecting me. Every word they speak reflects their total devotion to me. My person is preparing a ring and a promise just for me. I am the center of their universe and they want everyone to know it. Our commitment is permanent, unshakable, and divine. They are stepping up to claim their place by my side forever. I feel the weight of their commitment and the warmth of their love. They are eager to introduce me as their partner to the world. My person is shutting down all other paths to be with me. I am irreplaceable and they know they can't live without me. Our engagement is a done deal in the spiritual realm. They are obsessed with the idea of making me theirs officially. My person is moving toward me with a clear public proposal. I am safe, I am loved, and I am publicly chosen. Their love for me is loud, proud, and permanent. They are providing for me and protecting our sacred bond. I am the only one they see when they think of their future. Our relationship is stepping into the light for all to see. They are begging for the chance to commit to me forever. I am staying in the joy, knowing my proposal is on its way. Now feel the shift. Imagine the moment they drop to one knee. Hear the gasps, of the crowd as they realize you are the one. Feel the cool metal on the ring on your finger. This isn't a maybe. This is your new reality. The secret phase is over. You are now the official, publicly claimed partner. Feel that surge of relief and triumph. You are no longer waiting. You are being pursued. If you feel this energy rising and you are ready to manifest them even faster, head over to joybyjanell.com for advanced tools to collapse time on your commitment. You are worthy of the ring, the title, and the lifetime bond. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.